In this video, I cleaned the engine compartment and battery on this 2008 Rav4. Having clean battery connections is important to prevent being stranded in a parking lot or someplace somewhere when you go to start the vehicle and all you get is a click because you had poor connections or overly corroded connections. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery for this service so I can get a good deep clean on it. So I removed this battery hold down bracket as well as the terminal ends. I disconnected the negative terminal first and then the positive, and then taking that insulated blanket off the battery and making a solution of hot water and baking soda, which will act as a base to help neutralize the acidic buildup that happens on the surface of a battery over time as a battery vents and is used and is exposed to temperature changes. Dry it off good with some cloths or some air. And then I have this terminal cleaner tool. It's basically a wire brush built specifically for that purpose, and just scrubbing up and making those lead terminal connection points shiny and clean again. Then I'm just going to clean up some of the other battery components, the tray, the blanket, cleaning up the connections here with the wire brush again. And then I'm going to use some battery cleaner where it's not convenient to get the baking soda solution into to spray and neutralize the acidity on the connections themselves. I'm taking off a portion of this plastic cover because when I took off the battery hold down bracket, it was missing the front bolt. So I'm installing a new bolt here, 10mm head. I just used a trim removal tool to take off the plastic that it was hiding under. This is the rear hold down piece, routing it on the inside of the harness, and then putting the nut on, and then I'll go ahead and tighten down the front bolt completely, and then the part that's got the most hold down force is the rear part, so I don't want to over tighten that and put stress on the battery case, so I just snugged it up and then reusing my clips. If yours are bad, 8 and 10mm clips, generic clips from the parts store will work for most of these Toyota body clips. Then putting on my connections, tighten up the nut real tight there, and then I'm going to put on some battery terminal protection spray that'll put a protective film over it and help protect against corrosion in the future on the newly cleaned connections. And now for the engine clean, I'm going to start by blowing the leaves and crud that have built up on the intake for the ventilation system inside the cab. So this is where the air comes in, goes across the cabin filter, and then to the vents in various places. I'm using some purple clean, some super clean. It's the same stuff. It's an engine degreaser, and I'm just kind of soaking everything down here. A little soap and water is not going to hurt anything on your engine. On vehicles with a distributor cap and rotor, you can sometimes get water in the distributor cap, and it will make it so you can't start it without drying it out first. But on this vehicle that's distributorless, it's not going to be a problem. And having a clean engine compartment Helps you feel better about your vehicle, helps you stay better on top of maintenance. It makes maintenance easier when you are doing it. And it looks a lot better. Gives you some pride of ownership. Well, I appreciate you watching. I'm happy with how this turned out, and I hope you'll subscribe.